In this video, I'm going to show you how to send location on Instagram. In trying to give a direction to someone and you want to send the person your location on Instagram, it's pretty simple and easy. On your phone, navigate to the Instagram app and tap on it. On this interface, proceed to tap on this search icon. Then you can navigate and hit the search box on the top. In this box, you can enter the name of the said location that you want to give it. In this case, I'm going to type Accra Mall and hit enter. So after it's loaded, proceed to tap on places. So this will land you on an interface like this where you see the Accra Mall particular location. So if I want to proceed to send it, all I have to do is to tap on the said location. So I have the option to zoom in to give the person the particular location that I want to send it to. And once I'm setting with the location, I can be able to navigate and tap on this arrow icon. So this will land me on an interface like this where I can see the various contacts that I can send my location to. In this case, I'm interested in sending it to Mubarick MD. So I'll continue to tap on it. Then I'll proceed to send. Congratulations. Now you are able to send your location on Instagram. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. I'll do my best to attend to you. If you enjoyed this video, consider to check out our next video. See you in the next video. Bye bye.